Hi guys, welcome to our channel FemMY. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful organic balloon setup. First, you inflate your balloon in no particular size. This is going to be an organic balloon cluster. So this is going to be a cluster of 8 balloons. And just like that, that's how you make your organic balloon cluster. So the next one is the white one behind me. This one right here is also a organic balloon cluster, but I mixed it with one bigger balloon. And now we'll do the same thing with the silver balloons. So I'm done prepping all my balloon clusters. This time we will connect them all together. For this particular setup, I connect them using 20-pound fishing line. As you can see here, I tie my fishing line to the very bottom or first balloon cluster. And then I attach the next balloon cluster. Before we continue on to the next color, I just want to point out that we use tape on the floor to secure our balloon in place. And if you're wondering what kind of tape we use here, we'll put the link in the description down below. I just put 260 balloon on the floor and using this tape right on the carpet, just like that, that will hold your balloon clusters in place. Now that our balloon is securely attached on the floor, we can continue on to the next color. Now we're ready to attach our balloon garland to the very top of our backdrop stand. So using this clip, I will clip this on the top and I will attach 260 balloon right on the clip. And then that way it's easier to mount your balloon clusters right on place or balloon garland. By the way, if you are wondering what kind of backdrop wall we use here, this is a silver shimmer wall. Now for the very top, we added the silver balloon cluster. So now the organic balloon garland is securely attached. We will add our balloon fillers. These are 5 inches balloon fillers. We attach them using 260 balloon. So for the final touch, we added this star explosion foil balloon. And we attached them to the organic balloon garland using balloon glue dots. And this is it, it's basically done. So we added some huge foil balloon at the back. If you want to know where to get that, we will put the link in the description down below. And also if you want to know how we made this beautiful arch, we will make a separate video tutorial on how to make that one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed as of yet, please do subscribe to our channel, FemMY, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.